Yeah, my name is hi, my name is Yao, first name Asiakpo. I'm going to talk about my capstone projects and do the quick presentation. And my project is based on the creating a smart campus energy management system. And the project overview is to digitize energy oversight across the building with a real-time sensor data, which means that I'm going to create a monitoring tool with analytics and a data dashboard to support and to operate to get the fast operational decision and target the cost saving. That's the main objective of my project. And during this project, I'm going to use a key component to create this system to get a real-time energy visibility for every monitor zone and also plan for automatic detection of waste, abnormal consumption, and the peak risk period during and a kind of a different time of the season across the campus. So, and this project will lead me to reduce. My target goal is to reduce the energy cost from 20 to 30%, and plan for the rest. So that's the main objective of my capstone project. So this is the first slide. The second slide, you will see that I laid down here the focus, the manual monitoring, the improve and visibility and support data driven. And here I talk about the high energy cost caused by inefficient and the manual monitoring practice. So there's no real-time visibility into zone level or equipment level or energy waste. So this is where I take advantage of this particular lack of those things I just light on. So I'm going to focus on the faculty manager. The, the user group is going to be into divided into three sector where I'm going to get facility manager, campus admin, and the maintenance staff. And I'm planning to have a census, which is going to be central monitor platform, analytical dashboard, and I can elaborate also to have a mobile app to track uh, 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 the consumption down, and also you have a physical infrastructure for changes and to have a HVAC replacement. So going to the third slide, this is where the key components that are going to come together to work as one. And I have here plan for the three-tier architecture with a real-time data flow from campus, from the sensor to cloud to analytics and the user dashboard. So in the first place, I thought about the hardware layer, backend and front end. Backend here, the hardware layer. I'm thinking about using the sensors and also implement the gateway. The gateway is going to where all the transactions are going to happen, and the backend layer I'm planning to use Node.js API to implement the connectivity and to maintain the key the connection between all the components I'm using to from zone A to zone B or to zone Z. So coming to that, you will see that I laid down here cloud server. Cloud server, as I'm talking about Node.js, Node.js is going to reside in API to process all the jobs. And the main database I can use here, which is very cheaper, is MongoDB, which is a time series record. It can help me to record all the historical usage and also a plan for front end. The front end is a kind of a user interface here, and here I plan to use a React because I'm going to elaborate the application so we can have access to that application or that dashboard on our mobile app. So React is going to be the one that is going to present the front end here. So coming down, you see the data flow sensors, gateways, cloud server, database, analytics, and web mobile UI. So those are the components that I'm going to use. I can use either AWS Cloud or Azure Cloud. So coming to the methodology of delivering a plan. So the delivery plan, I've started before I come up with all these. That means I gather all the information from the stakeholder that I'm working for, have a kind of interview plan with the stakeholder. After I gather all information from him, so I can go ahead now and design according to the plan that I have set, design and also implement the agile the development methodology that we plan at school, we learn at school, and also incorporates my own working experience as a cloud engineer. So, and also when I plan for all this, I will plan for the testing and also try to integrate, try to lay down the documentation for from step one to step Z. So, and also define the time frame that the project it will last. Sorry, the time frame the project will last till. And the last part, after that, now I have to come with the conclusion to which is the project cost. I'm estimating to my estimated budget is going to be like between 25,000, 25 to 35,000, and that project will last between 1 to 3 to 4 or 5 or 6 months to get this project done and really successfully. So this is the idea about my project. So thank you so much, and this is the end of it. So thank you for watching and take time to go through my slides to understand what I plan to do to save a cost, to save a cost for a lot, or to elaborate the smart campus energy management system. Thank you.